The first part of this video is in real time so that you can see what is going on, and once the fixing of the face is done, I will speed up the rest of the video so that it does not get boring. So in the test render during the fourth video, I saw a few flaws in the face. The jawlines are too square, the brows are too blocky, the iris are too small, or maybe the eyes are too big, or maybe both. The mouth is stiff and the nose is too realistic. So these are going to be the fix in today's video. The jaw is the easiest part, and you can see that I already fixed it with just a few brushstrokes. And now I am fixing the brows. You can see that as I sculpt the skin, the brows mesh follows as well, thanks to the surface deform modifier that I added before making the brows. Now comes the mouth. It is a lot harder than the brows. In fact, it is the hardest part of this video because the two lips need separate sculpting. So I go to edit mode, select the center vertex of the lip, and then hit Ctrl+ on the numpad to grow the selection, and then hit H to hide the selection or Shift H to hide the unselected vertices, and then switch back to sculpt mode to sculpt the lip. The downside of this technique is that you can't see the result in the main viewport. You have to look at the other viewport to see what's going on, and it kinda breaks the focus, but it works. Next is the nose. Right now it is too realistic and I want to make it more slender and pointy. It's gonna be easy. The nose is done. Now it is time to fix the eyes. In this case I try to make the iris larger first. If it doesn't work, I will make the eye smaller. When making the iris larger, it is tempting to just scale the eyeballs, but this will cause quite a big problem because the large eyeballs will cause the iris to sink under the eye socket when the character glances, and I will have to change the eye socket quite dramatically to fix that, and more often than not, it will look terrible. So I keep the eyeballs as they are right now and just make the iris larger. The eyes looks fine now, and I decided to keep them as massive as they are right now. The face looks almost like the final result now, so the rest of the video is gonna be about fine-tuning the subtle details, most of which is not even noticeable. It's going to be very boring, so I'm going to speed up the video by 200% now, and if you want to watch in real time, you can slow down the playback to 50%. So the face fixing is now done. Thank you for watching, and in the next video we will begin the work on the hair. I'll see you next time.